just got a PR package. Ah! Y'all. Whew. Before I tell y'all about this PR package I just received from Head & Shoulders, I have to show y'all that I have been manifesting this PR package because I have been using these products for 4 years. Well, Head & Shoulders products for 4 years, and I would literally post so many videos and shorts about Head & Shoulders, the Royal Oils collection specifically. So let's show the receipts. Let's show the receipts. We will be using the Head & Shoulders Royal Oils. Royal Oils is going to be a staple going forward for me because, like I said, my hair feels so moisturized. Like, for me to have not used any conditioner in my hair, I can only imagine what their conditioner feels like. This stuff is the truth. It is so cleansing, but yet hydrating. I am so glad that this has been helping me through my seborrheic dermatitis. Like, this is the truth. I don't care. Try this. Add it to your routine. I like to swap out shampoos, but this will forever be a staple for me. So if you have a dry, itchy, flaky scalp, add this to it. It's a hit. Sometimes I have to take a moment of silence for how good this product is. When I mean, if you struggle with a itchy, flaky scalp, y'all, Head & Shoulders, put me on payroll, because like, I really deserve for y'all to make me the spokesperson for this line. Favorite item ever, the Royal Oils Scalp Elixir. I just wish they would sponsor me already, because how often do I talk about this great product? Next, we're going in with my favorite product ever in life is the Royal Oils Scalp Elixir. I am, of course, using my handy dandy Royal Oils Scalp Elixir. Cooling Menthol and Peppermint Oil by Head & Shoulders. I have been using this elixir on my scalp to help combat my seborrheic dermatitis. First, I follow up with the Royal Oils Scalp Elixir. This is for anyone that struggles with dry, flaky, itchy scalp. I am using the Royal Oil Scalp Care Shampoo. When I mean this shampoo is the truth, I'm so glad that my dermatologist recommended it. I usually break it out when I see that my seborrheic dermatitis might be flaring up on my scalp. It truly is a godsend. Of course, I wash my hair and scalp twice, just really cleansing it, scrubbing off that dead, flaky skin. After I do that, I go in with the Royal Oil Scalp Elixir. Honestly, I just love this entire line. This is just a testament to just, even if you're a micro-influencer, because I consider myself a micro-influencer, I just hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube last September or last October, but I had been doing MicroLocks content for 4 years at that point. And I had been doing YouTube since 2017, so almost 10 years. So it took me a while to get to that 10K on YouTube. And I just hit 5K on TikTok. So this is just a testament to keep on posting the content. So as a thank you to Head & Shoulders and all of my subscribers that have been following me throughout my MicroLocks journey, we're gonna unbox this Head & Shoulders together. Let's start with the thank you notes. We're excited to introduce you to the sulfate-free Shea Butter Duo. Shea Butter. I'm already excited. This essential pair is here to help you elevate your routine while tackling dandruff. Perfect for all hair types, it provides up to 100% dandruff protection and gently cleanses and keeps your curls fresh and hydrated. We can't wait to see the results. Shoot, me too. So let's look at, first of all, let's look at the package. Baby, okay, this is nice. This is nice. Head & Shoulders, yes. It's literally like a shower. Oh my goodness. These are the two products. And look at it, it's full-size product. I'm so excited. Come on, let's see how it smells. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells so good. Rich moisture for scalp and hair, cleanses without stripping for curly and coily hair, and it's color safe. Oh gosh. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. I cannot wait. And then again, they have the conditioner as well. Y'all know I'm a proponent. I love to be able to squeeze my conditioner out. I hate when I have to turn the bottle around. So thank you, Head & Shoulders. Thank you so much. I'm super excited to show you guys when I use the products and my first impression. Tune in for more Michael Lock videos, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.